Hello everyone. In the last issue we introduced how to reduce the wear and tear of parts. By reducing the disassembly of dispensing valves, we prevent the loss of parts due to improper assembly. The majority of dispensing valves used today are jet valves and piezoelectric valves. For how to clean the injection valve, we can use an empty hose and introduce a glue cleaner into the empty hose. Open the software and set it to glue drain mode. The glue cleaner flows into the valve body and cleans the glue from the internal piping of the valve body. The glue inside the dispensing valve is then cleaned and the operation is easy and simple. The advantage of this? It is that the spare parts inside the jet valve, the flood plugs, the seals, always remain a precise fit and the position remains unchanged. This reduces wear and tear and misalignment problems, so that consumables last longer and reduce the replacement cycle time. In this issue we talk about a different topic. How can we avoid the problem of loose spots during the dispensing of injection valves? The following considerations can be taken into account. 1. Control the flow rate and pressure of the glue. Ensure that the glue flow rate and pressure are stable to avoid shocks or sudden changes during the opening and closing of the jet valve, which helps to reduce the occurrence of glue scatter. 2. Adjust the distance between the nozzle and the workpiece. Maintain an appropriate distance between the nozzle and the workpiece to ensure that the glue is sprayed evenly onto the target surface and to avoid splashing or scattering of the glue during the spraying process. 3. Use the right nozzle size and shape. Select the right nozzle size and shape for the specific application to ensure that the glue is sprayed precisely onto the target location and to reduce the occurrence of scatter. 4. Control the speed and acceleration of the jet valve. Control the speed and acceleration of the jet valve to avoid dispersal or buildup of glue caused by too fast or too slow a movement. 5. Check the cleanliness of the jet valve and glue. Clean the jet valve and glue supply system regularly to ensure that the jet valve channels are free from obstruction and to avoid uneven spraying due to residual glue or impurities. 6. Adjust the viscosity and fluidity of the glue. Adjust the viscosity and fluidity of the glue according to specific needs and choose a suitable glue formulation to obtain better spray control performance. 7. Carry out appropriate pilot and parameter tuning. In practical applications, carry out appropriate pilot and parameter tuning to find the best injection valve control parameters and process conditions through experimentation and repeated adjustments to avoid scattering problems. Note that the above recommendations are general principles and specific application scenarios may need to be adjusted and optimized to suit the actual situation.